नमस्कार. प्रुडंट मिडियाचेर आयची ही कार्यावळ पळयतल्यांक तुमकां सगल्यांक माय मोगाचो येवकार. इश्टानो 2 वर्सां आमी कार्निवालाक आशेन रावता आनी कार्निवालाच्या निमतान एक प्रश्न आमच्या मोतीन उप्रासता तो जावन आसा ह्या वर्साचो किंग मोमो कोण. तर आयज प्रुडंट मिडिया तुमच्या मुखार घेवन येता 2022 हाचो किंग मोमो राया गांवचो बाब एमिलियानो डायस. पयलीं सद्याक येवकार तुका आमच्या आयचे ही कार्यावळीन.
देव बरें करूं.
एमिलियानो बाब, तूं म्हाका सांगशी जावं कितें फिलींग आहा आतां तूं किंग मोमो म्हण ऑलरेडी डिक्लेअर जाला, सो वॉट इज द फिलींग? आर यू एंग्शियस? वॉट?
Yeah, I'm really happy and I got very excited when I was selected and overjoyed with and thrilled. And I knew it one day. I've got a strong personality and a strong build and good voice. Definitely, it will give. And this year it was more fun because it was a selection and no political people over there. Code of conduct. Yeah.
Okay, what is carnival according to you? जेन्ना हांव तुका विचारता कार्निवाल जेन्ना हांव म्हणटा तेन्ना तुज्या मतीन कितें येता?
Carnival means has got कार्निवलाक दोन हे आसात शब्द आसात, एक कार आणि एक निवल. म्हणजे कार म्हणजे मांस खावप ना. Carnival actually was started by the pagans. It has got nothing to do with the Catholic religion. Even the priests are saying stop the carnival, but the government is still going ahead because the pagans started. Because before the land started, तुम्ही मांस खावचें, बरें एन्जॉय जावचें आनी फान करचें. मागीर लँड स्टार्ट जालें म्हणटच तुमी कांयच करचें न्ही, सारकें थंड रावचें.
Okay, why did you intend to be a king momo this time? कित्याक इतलें anxiousness कित्याक आसलें? What was your childhood?
Childhood was, I got two sisters, and I was studying in the St. Teresa's Convent, Raya, and I was right from the start. I was a very brilliant student, and the principal of the school, she used to like me a lot. And one of my sisters is in Australia. I got nephews, and one of my nephews is becoming a priest.
Okay. Another question would be, जेन्ना किंग मोमोच्या एका जावं तुमचे ऑडिशन्स असतात, definitely there's going to be some selection process that you all have to undergo. Okay, so what was the criteria like? Why an ordinary people जावं हांव दोर म्हाका धू, so कित्याक नॉर्मल मनशांक कित्याक किंग मोमो म्हण जावं सिलेक्ट करना? What is the criteria?
तेमी सगल्यांक चान्स दिला. They said anybody can participate. Lots of people they participate, and कोणे बरें केला तांकां तेमी chance दिला. Everybody has given a chance, and first they called many people, then they come down to 7, and then it's not that only selected people again. You have to put application, you have to make efforts, you have to train very hard if you want to get the job done.
Okay.
Get a job.
Definitely there had been maybe auditions that you have undergone like so what was the audition like? What were the questions that asked to you? How did you perform?
The director TDC Brilliant D'Souza was absolutely brilliant. I can say taka lagon maka chance padla mon, and I was very happy when I saw him. First question was general. What are your hobbies and where you come from, your name, and second one was they asked because they wanted to see whether my body is acting and whether I acted in the film, and then they wanted to see whether I'm a good singer, I can sing something, and entertain the crowd, so that the blame don't come on them. They made wrong selection gala.
Okay, what was the thing that you performed there?
First, they asked me, which movie you acted, and I told them I acted in the movie, the world famous Natsya Kupasar, and really, really great. I learned a lot of things from the director, but in Goa I can't make use of them. And Palomi Ghosh, the heroine, was really affable and good dancer and actor, and she is the one who brought that movie up. I wish she was there along with me on the
जायते फावटी अशें आसता की एमिलियन बाब की ऑडिशन्स राउंडाक जायते तुमकां विचारता, सो was there any like speech or questions or song that you performed over there that you can tell us now?
First thing तेमी म्हाका विचारलें तेमी तुका तुवें डायलॉग कितें मारलें काय म्हणून, आनी they asked why you didn't go into that film. I said आतांचे डायरेक्टर 2 लाख घालतात आणि 4 लाखांचे प्रॉफिट करू शकतात. सो नाचो कुपासर वॉज डिफरंट. One dialogue I gave was, Donna, तुझे फाटल्यान हांव जायतोच पावला. तुका लागून हांवें जायते चेडवांचें जिवीत आत्तें आसलोलें पोत्तें केलां. पूण आतां पळय तुजें जिवीत हांव कशें आत्तें आसा तें पोत्तें करता.
Okay.
They got very happy.
And समतो क्लिक जालो.
Yeah. No. They still wanted to know. And they said, like, you sing. I said, yeah, I play and sing. To go like the recording, I said, I play live. Then they said, like, can you sing a song? And then I told, like, I can sing the song, The Summer of '69, you know. And it's from Canadian, you know. It's like a national anthem of Goa. Without this song, not a single function gets over. From Canada, like dang. I got my first real 6 strings, boy, I got a Valentine. Played it till my fingers bled over the summer of '69. Me and some boys from school had a band and it tried real hard. Jimmy quit, Judy got married. Try now, we never get far. Then
Okay.
it goes, you know.
Okay, so that is the reason you got clicked for a
Clicked, and
performance.
I did not practice this song for a long time, but if I practice, and then I can.
Okay, tell me something, Emilian. जायते पार्टी हांव पळयता, चड करून किंग मोमो जे आसता, they are always like fat, plump people. Why is it like that? And always surrounded by beautiful ladies. Why is it?
किंग मोमोक म्हाका दिसता तेंगा लोकांक किंग मोमो म्हणल्यार बरो जाणटो आनीक पोट आहलोलो. पयलें म्हाका डॉल आहलें. देन पीपल सेड I was looking really किंग मोमो पयलें 2-3-4 वर्सां. तेंका दिसता म्हाका किंग मोमो म्हणल्यार मोटेलो आनी तेंका everybody likes to see a fat body. Before that, we used to always say, where King Momo, where are my ladies? He was not interested, you know, in the weaving and all that. So I feel King Momo was a ladies' man, you know. That's why he is surrounded by all beautiful ladies. Because he got a lot of money and power.
You think this time the carnival is it commercialized? Has it become commercialized? Because when carnival was like way back, it was completely different. But now there are many aspects that has come up. Like carnival nimtan जायते येयला. So खेळटियात जाता आमचे. Maybe the Samba Square which is happening. So has it become commercialized, or what is your opinion?
म्हाका दिसता I'm very happy अशें करून तियात्र जाताय आनी खेळ तियात्र जाताय आनी थोडे मातशे कमर्शियलायज जाल्ल्यार कित्याक थोडे एक्टरांकूय पयशे मेवतात आनीक डायरेक्टरांक पयशे मेवतात. मागीर आफ्टर द लँड तितले शो आसनात आनी 40 days ब्रेक आसता. So I feel I'm very happy, you know.
What has Khel Tiyat gone to do with carnival? Like कितें?
खेळ तियात्र ते म्हणटात खेळ तियात्र पयले कोत्ताले जमनीचे आतां मातशे मॉडर्न जाल्यात आनी तशें म्हणटात ते. बट दे हॅव नॉट बिकम मॉडर्न. मात तशेंच आहा ते. दे आर ट्रायंग टू सेव दॅट आमची पयलींची परंपरा.
Okay, it's always that King Momo leads the parade. Okay, so this time people are like you are the main attraction. Like tu lead kota aki hai. So King Momo and Queen Momo, what do you prefer?
King Momo, definitely.
King Momo.
Yeah, I'm a giant, no?
Okay.
Superior people.
All right. Okay. फुडें हांव तुका विचारूंक सोदता जावं जायते तुवें जायतो तेंप तूं रावलो. Like you said that you've been waiting for this opportunity, and now that you've got the opportunity, what is your preparations that you have done? Because you've been waiting all this while for this.
Yeah, the same procedure. I'll do it. That waving of my hand, and if I get a chance, I'll sing some songs. That's it. You know, it's just very simple. Selection is the toughest part. You know.
Okay, what do you do besides hosting or whatever? What is your background?
In the background, you know, this is we got ancestral property, and I work, and we have got a chicken shop.
Okay, all right. Moving on to another question, like जायते पावटी अशें जाता की King Momo choose कोत्ता जावं it has to be all talented guy that तुज्यान सगळे like you need to like be very spontaneous, you need to handle the crowd very well. So इतलो लोक तुज्या नदरे मुखार आसतलो, and definitely it's going to be like some other different feelings. So how will you take this like?
No, I have handled lots of shows like this, especially Varka Youth Fest. It was a lot of crowd, and we had a Raya Fest. Lot of people, and people come and demanding. But usually when I'm there, no, they don't question me. They get very happy. And I hope a lot of people from Margaon, they come to see me.
Okay. Is it a proud moment for Raya that I should say?
Yeah, it's really when I went to Raya, everybody started hugging me, and it's joyous scenes, and I can't believe like my phone was ringing for the whole night, you know. Even people who are not talking to me, like, hey, King Momo, King Momo. And even that topic was very good. Raya boy, you know, Raya is King Momo this year, you know. Very happy, and everybody gave me a very warm and rapturous welcome.
Okay, there had been many king momos like earlier. So any particular one that you would prefer, like जे तुका like झालो आणि तेका लागून तुका दिसले आपण king momo जावपाक जावो म्हणून. There were many.
No, actually, I'm into compare, but I feel King Momo's job is more easier. You just read the message. If you got good looks, good height.
Many times what happens, like king momos are always like, you know, you get to see various celebrities that accompany king momo. So this time anything that's going to happen like that?
No, so far nothing has come, but I wish Palomi Ghosh was there with me.
Okay.
I hope that Minin listens and brings her wherever she is. Very motivating type.
Okay. Besides this, you are also into film. Okay. So how much like how do you see like actor son king momo? So
No. I feel like King Momo is more easier than the acting. Yeah, I got that body and I got that voice. If I didn't have the body, maybe I had to struggle.
okay.
Yeah.
So king momo is always meant for fat people, that I should say.
Yeah, fat people who can got a good commanding. Hey, I'm King Momo. I declare the carnival open. You are my subjects. So I enjoy those type of, you know.
Okay. You have any siblings around at your play or something?
No, I got two siblings, two sisters.
So
we are three
what
in a
is
family.
their opinion like, since you are become a king momo in
The
the family?
moment I got selected, I phoned first to my sister and sisters.
Okay, tell me something like carnival सदा 3 दिसाचो असतालो, right? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So why is it celebrated earlier, like 1 day prior? What do
I
you
think
say?
they want to start. They must पहिले पेंजिम स्टार्ट करपा जाय. 3 दीस पावन आहले. आनी 4 दीस केल्यात तांकां येताले. मागीर ते एक्चुअली लँड तर वेनेसडे जायना जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता ते आनीक 5-6 दीस पूर्ण करता आसले.
After this carnival, okay, what should we see or what should we look in you? Like whom do we see Emiliano Diaz as? After carnival, I'm saying.
No. After carnival, because of the publicity I got King, I hope the 5-star hotels gives me a chance. Gives me a chance to become King Momo in their hotels, so that I get chances. I keep up my tradition, because 1 year I can say I am the King Momo of Goa Tourism Department.
Okay, what is your message for the people who are watching you today? जाऊ तू कितें सांगपाक सोदता?
Yes, सगळ्या म्हज्या रायच्या भावंडांक आनी तशेंच सालसेरीच्या जायते जाणांक वळखता हांव, आनी ते म्हाका बरो MC म्हणून वळखतात, आनी जायतेच फोन कॉल येतात, आनी ते येतलेत पळोवपाक म्हाका. Especially I got a good voice, and I hope they're starting, and this carnival will become better than the others.
थँक यू सो मच. 2 उतरां तुवें आमकां सांगली आनी तुजो मोलादीक वेळ आयज आमचे खातीर दिलो म्हूण आमी आनी आमची टीम तुजे आभारी. थँक यू सो मच. तो जावन आसलो 2022 हाचो विचून काडलेलो किंग मोमो बाब एमिलियानो डायस. अशेंच कार्निवाला निमतान जायते इन्फॉर्मेटीव प्रोग्राम्स आमी तुमच्या नदरेक हाडटलीं. तेन्ना पासून पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. देव बरें करूं.